Transform your Beehiiv newsletter into a professional powerhouse by connecting your custom GoDaddy domain. First, log into your GoDaddy account. Navigate to the Domain Management section. This is where all your registered domains are listed. Locate the domain you want to connect to Beehiiv and click on it to access its settings. You'll be looking for an option related to DNS management or DNS records. Now, switch over to your Beehiiv account and go to your Publications, Settings. Look for the Website or Custom Domain section. In Beehiiv, you'll find the custom domain information you need to enter into GoDaddy. This usually involves a domain name and specific DNS records, often referred to as CNAME records. Back in your GoDaddy account, within the DNS settings for your chosen domain, you will add a new record. Select CNAME as the type of record. For the host or name field in GoDaddy, enter what Beehiiv specifies, which is typically www or a specific subdomain. In the value or points to field, paste the exact target address provided by Beehiiv for your custom domain. It might look something like a Beehiiv subdomain. Once you've entered both the host and value, click to save your changes in GoDaddy. DNS changes can take some time to propagate across the internet, so be patient. This process can sometimes take up to 48 hours, but is often much faster. Once propagation is complete, your Beehiiv publication will be accessible through your branded GoDaddy domain. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated your GoDaddy domain with Beehiiv for a seamless and professional online presence.